Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors on FreeAgent Invoice. If you want your invoices to better match your brand, the quickest way in FreeAgent is to switch the invoice theme. Themes control the accent colors, typography, and overall styling, while keeping your invoice details and numbers exactly the same. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can preview the look before you send anything to a client. Start on the FreeAgent overview page after you've logged in. This is the home base where you can access everything else. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation bar. Find the section labeled Work. It might be alongside other headings like Contacts or Banking, but you're looking specifically for Work. Go ahead and click Work to open its menu. From there, choose Invoicing. This takes you straight to your list of invoices, where you can open one to see how a theme will affect the design. Pick any invoice you're comfortable experimenting with, such as a sample or draft invoice. Opening a sample is a great idea because it lets you preview changes without affecting anything that's already been sent. Once the invoice is open, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the More button. This is where FreeAgent keeps extra actions related to that invoice. In the menu that appears, select Change Theme. This is the key option for updating colors and styles. You'll now see the available themes. Each theme has its own color palette and layout, so focus on options that complement your brand. Click on a sample theme to apply it to the invoice preview. You should see the colors update right away, including headings, accents, and sometimes table styling. Take a moment to scan the entire page. Check that your logo stands out, that the accent color is readable against both light and dark elements, and that line items and totals remain clear. A few tips as you decide. Choose a theme with strong contrast so totals and due dates are unmistakable. If you frequently print invoices, pick a theme that looks good in grayscale as well as on screen. Keep accessibility in mind. Darker text on light backgrounds is easiest to read, and remember, changing the theme only affects the appearance. It won't alter invoice calculations, dates, or client details. That's all there is to it. By selecting a theme you like, you've effectively changed the colors on your FreeAgent invoice and given your documents a professional on-brand finish.